In this session, we have to learn one more important concept, that is comparison between amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. So before to this concept, so already we have to see what is an amplitude modulation and what is an frequency modulation. So based on some parameters, we have to compare the two modulation techniques. So what are the parameters and what are the comparisons between these two modulation techniques? So now we will see the comparisons between these two free modulated techniques. So here we are assuming some parameters. So what are the parameters we are assuming? So the first parameter is the definition. So what is the amplitude modulation and what is an frequency modulation? Amplitude modulation nothing but the amplitude of the carrier is varied in accordance with the modulating signal, that is called amplitude modulation. So at the time, so here is the frequency and phase are the constant parameters in frequency modulation. So the frequency of the carrier is varied in accordance with the amplitude of modulating signal. Here is amplitude is constant and phase also constant. So this is the first parameter, the comparison between the amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. And second parameter is constant parameters. So in amplitude modulation, so frequency and phase are the constants, and in frequency modulation amplitude and phase are the constant. And next second and third one is a modulation index. So what is the representation of modulation index and in amplitude modulation? That is mu is equals to am by ac. It means the modulation index mu is equals to the ratio of message signal amplitude by carrier signal amplitude. And in similarly the modulation index in frequency modulation, so here is represented as beta is equals to del f by fm. That is beta, the modulation index parameter beta is equals to the ratio of frequency deviation by message signal frequency. So this is the another parameter. So comparison of this amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. And next parameter is bandwidth. So bandwidth is nothing but, so comparison of this bandwidth in amplitude modulation, so bandwidth is equals to 2fm, and in frequency modulation bandwidth is equals to 2 into del f plus fm. And next one is the number of sidebands. So in amplitude modulation, so only we have two sidebands, that is upper sideband and lower sidebands. But in frequency modulation it has infinite sidebands. So it depends on the beta value. And one more parameter is applications. So what are the applications of amplitude modulation and what are the applications of frequency modulation? So the amplitude modulation and where we are using, and the frequency modulation is where we are using. So in amplitude modulation the applications are broadcasting, so it means that microwave, satellite wave communication band broadcasting, video transmission in TV. So these are the applications, some applications of this amplitude modulation. And what are the applications in frequency modulation? So the major applications of this FM is broadcasting FM, audio transmission in TV, and analog cellular communication systems. So these are the some important applications of frequency modulation. So this is the these are the parameters we are assuming to compare the two modulation techniques. So these are the comparisons between amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. Right? Thank you.